Hi, I'm Borbat.
Hi, I'm Jolly.
Hi, I'm Reach.
We are the Procrastination Superposition.
It's turning.
Our project idea is a quantum vehicle. Unlike other inventions, this is an automated machine that employs quantum computing in order to facilitate efficient pathfinding and safer road travel. It improves the quality of life in terms of traffic and lessens pollution levels as a result of its efficient nature, which allows us to save on energy.
Our robot uses a hybrid of quantum-inspired algorithm Grover search and a greedy algorithm to quickly find the optimal path in the maze. The sensors provide real-world data, which is processed on a computer running the quantum circuit.
And that wraps up our robotic solution video. We're very proud of everything our team has accomplished and all the hard work we put in. Many thanks for watching the video, and we hope you enjoyed.